Starting with the glorious and compassionate name of Allah, who is the omnipresent and omnipotent indeed. Assalamu alaikum to all of you. Hope you all are safe and sound and under the special bless of Allah. Dear students, let us do the remaining on-book exercises of unit number 10. Please open up page 107 of your book. The topic is revision, and we have successfully reached to exercise 14. See exercise number 14. This is very interesting. You can do it yourself as well. Page 107, exercise 14. The question is, rewrite the following sentences using appropriate punctuation marks and capital letters wherever necessary. Clear? Capital letters wherever necessary. So it would be good if you help me out. Let us do it collectively. The first one is, my best friend and his family are moving to Swat. So you know it very well. If you remember, we discussed these points before, that a sentence starts with a capital letter. So please make it capital. Make the M of my capital. Make it capitalized. Clear? Hope you are doing it with me side by side. Then, definitely Swat is a proper noun, so you need to make its S capital. Do it please. Do it side by side. Do all the on-book exercises with me. Please do not leave it for later time. It will be then a kind of burden on you. Do it with me right now. Then, part 2. You don't look happy to see me, do you? You don't look happy to see me, do you? So make the Y of you capital, then put an apostrophe between N and T of don't. Clear? N and T, between the N and T of don't. Then put a comma after me in the same sentence. And after you means at the end of the sentence put a question mark. Clear? Then part 3. You shouldn't have done this to Jameel. So make the Y of you capital. Again put an apostrophe between N and T of shouldn't. And then put a period. Put a full stop at the end of the sentence. Hope you are doing it with me and enjoying the lecture. Then part 4. There is a large rainforest in South America. So make the T of there capital. S and A of South and America capital. And then put a period at the end. Then part 5. I have never been to Changamanga. So make the C of Changa and the M of Manga capital, and then put a period at the end. Clear? Now come towards exercise 15. Change the following sentences into passive voice. The voices. You are done with it before as well. Let us do it collectively. Part 1. The teacher praised the boy. Simple past tense. So, you know it very well. The regular changes in any sentence, the subject of the active voice sentence becomes the object in the passive voice sentence, whereas the object of the active voice sentence becomes subject in passive voice. Definitely third form of verb is used and preposition is used before the object. You know it very well. So let us follow the same way. The teacher praised the boy. The boy was praised by the teacher. Clear? Do it yourself, hurry up. Write it down. The boy was praised by the teacher. Clear? Then, everyone liked the idea. Simple past tense. The idea was liked by everyone. The idea was liked by everyone. Then, Alia sang a song. Again, simple past tense. A song was sung by Alia. Sing, sang, sung. So, a song was sung by Alia. Clear? Then come towards exercise number 16. Rewrite the following, changing the active sentences into passive and the passive sentences into active. Clear? Rewrite the following, changing the active sentences into passive and the passive sentences into active. Let us do it. She gave the beggar a 5-rupee coin. This is active voice sentence and the tense is simple past again. So, let us do it collectively. A 5-rupee coin was given by her to the beggar. Clear? Then, part 2. They are painting the walls. This is an active voice sentence. We have to change it into passive voice. Clear? And it is present continuous tense. So for changing continuous tense into passive voice, we add being with its helping verb. They are painting the walls. The walls are being painted by them. The walls are being painted by them. Then part 3. The car has been fixed by the mechanic. Think over it. It is passive sentence. Clear? It is passive voice sentence. Clear? So we are going to change it into active voice. The car has been fixed by the mechanic. The mechanic has fixed the car. The mechanic has fixed the car. And part 4. She accepted their invitation with pleasure. So it is active voice sentence. And it is simple past tense. Their invitation was accepted by her with pleasure. Their invitation was accepted by her with pleasure. Clear? Hope you have got all these exercises. Dear students, note down your today's homework. Write down 5 sentences of active voice of simple past tense and change it into passive voice. Clear? Write 5 sentences of simple past tense and change them into passive voice. And then write 5 sentences of present continuous tense and change them into passive voice. 5 sentences of present continuous tense and change them into passive voice. These 2 are your today's homework. This is the end of our today's lecture. Thank you so much. Take care of yourself. Stay blessed. Allah Hafiz.